What up, guys? Car Junkie Reviews. So I just hit 1,000 miles and I'm about to take you guys along and tell you guys how it's been. So as of right now, you know, the car just hit 1,000 miles and you know, it's pretty much fully broken in now, and it's honestly been great. You know, some things started to happen, like, I don't know, every time I turn the wheel all the way, I hear like not a ticking noise, like it sounds like metal hitting something. I don't know if that's just because the 305's in the front, but I gotta look more into that. And other than that, the car's been driving good. It feels more powerful than when I first got it, obviously because it's broken in. And the first thing I want to try is launch control. I'm gonna make a whole separate video and test the 0 to 60 in like the quarter mile. And I'm gonna do a lot of things with this car. You know I haven't been really posting. That's due to the weather, and you know, it's rear wheel drive. I can't really drive it here. So I'm gonna keep posting, and I'm gonna bring more cars along to our channel. You know, I'm thinking C5 Corvettes, you know, Mustangs, a bunch of different, you know, cars that I feel like would be great content for this channel. And I'm also gonna keep showing auto detailing, us buffing, ceramic coating, and you know, hopefully, you know, I'll be honest with you, I don't know how to fully work on a car. Like, I could do basics, but as in like building engines and stuff, I still have to learn. And I'm so into, like, I want to learn that, and then I'll bring content like that for sure. But so far, you know, the ceramic coating has been holding up. I literally just been foaming and rinsing the car. I don't need to really do a full, like, extensive wash, but it's not too bad. Like, you know, I literally just washed it yesterday and it looks pretty clean, you know. But it's coming out good, you know. Still beads water, and I use the Nanobond 9H. It's an amazing product, and it was very cheap. You can find it on Amazon for like 30 bucks. Came out really good. We got most of the swirls out. Man, the back is kind of dirty, I'm not gonna lie. I'll wash it tomorrow probably. The weather isn't too bad. But I'm gonna keep sending you guys updates. The black one, or the green one, I mean, it's coming out pretty good. I'm gonna put 2 pictures in this video showing you how it's coming along. The hood, there's one problem. The hood is kind of short because it's the aftermarket Hellcat hood. So like, there's a little gap. Like, it's not that bad, but to me it is. There's a pretty big gap like right here because the hood is a little too short. And then because of that, we got to figure out something. We're gonna see if maybe the frame is not aligned right. We got to check a lot of different things, but as of right now, the hood is painted matte black. The bumper still needs to get painted, but the core support, everything came out pretty good. The fenders are on, they look amazing, and they're, you know, top notch. Like, this guy's a beast at bodywork, but it's coming out good. I'm gonna keep showing you guys updates. I'm gonna put those pictures in this video, and man, listen to that sound. Oh, that's a sick sound. But I'm gonna keep using the GoPro, by the way. More videos are coming along. POV driving, car talks, detailing, hopefully mechanic work later on in the future once I learn. And you know, more dealership and side hustle videos are also coming to the channel. So yeah, this video I just wanted to talk about like a little overview of what's been going on and how come I haven't really been posting as frequent. And I promise you guys, once the weather starts to clear up, I'm gonna be posting regularly. You know, that way I can, you know, when I have a chance to take this out, I'm gonna take it, and then I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So yep, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm sorry for all that, but a lot's been going on, and I'm gonna take you guys along with the journey, and hopefully you guys enjoy, and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button on this video. See you guys later.